musical exchange program.
As the Gambegre constituency seat remains vacant after sitting MP Saling Sangma resigned as the MLA, the senior party leader has said that the party will field the best candidate for the constituency whenever by-elections takes place. They're expressing confidence that people would again choose his candidate in the constituency. He said that he is still in touch with the constituents of the constituency. As per reports, top leaders of the Congress, Saling Sangma and Deborah Marak, have been assigned the task of finalizing the party candidate for Gambegre by-elections.
I want the best to look after my people. I don't want just any hanky-panky to come and then look after, because looking after my people should be, at least I'm not saying like me. Definitely talking with my people. I will be having a meeting first, then only I will decide. Now, unless and until I talk with the leaders from my constituency, I cannot decide just bluntly like that. And moreover, I've got my leaders also out here. So at least certain norms and conditions has to be fulfilled. So we will go back and then see. And then moreover, I will definitely want the best to look after my people. At least I'm not saying like me, but at least somebody should be taking care of my people from my Gambegre constituency.
Tora MP Saling Sangma has